Hey everyone, I wanted to share with you a PFF waffle recipe. And this is a high protein, high fat, moderate fiber waffle. So with the ingredients, I'm going to mix in the dry ingredients first. And the big one is PurePaleo beef protein. And this is their vanilla version. So it is sort of like a caramel type of flavor. It's going to be, the base flour is going to be almond flour. So a quarter cup of almond flour here. And then I have a half a teaspoon of baking powder and then half a teaspoon of cinnamon. And now for the sweetener. So this is Lakanto baking sweetener with monk fruit. And you'll notice that it really mixes very, very easily when I add everything in there. With the wet ingredients, it's going to be 1 whole egg and 1 tablespoon of butter. And if you don't like butter, or if you find that you have a sensitivity, then you can use coconut oil as a substitute. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And the last liquid is about 2 tablespoons of water. This might vary a little bit. So if you want to have a mixture of something that's a little bit thinner in terms of your batter, then you can add a little more water. And obviously you can see the powder is mixing around. So what I'm going to do is, as I'm mixing that, I'm going to turn on the waffle maker. And I've already sprayed it with coconut oil. So that's what we're going to do so it doesn't stick. But you can see the batter is actually really, really good. And the powder, the protein powder doesn't clump or anything like that. So it mixes up really, really well. And from there, it's all mixed up. You don't need a blender or anything like that. A whisk. I've even used a fork too, so you can use that as well. So yeah, this is pretty hot now. So all you're gonna do is open this up, and you're gonna use a spatula, so we don't wanna sacrifice or miss any of the batter. And then from here, we just dump it in the center. Let it go in there. And probably about half or so. Make sure we don't waste any. And then from here, we just close it and then wait till we get the treat. And here is the finished product, the PFF waffle. And as you can see, I have some batter still left over. So this is just a serving size just for me. So if you want to make it for your family, 2 or 3 people that are going to be eating it, double or triple the amount of ingredients, and you'll have plenty of waffles for everybody to eat. So hope you enjoy this, try this, and until next time, eat well to feel well.